Asante sana Mheshimiwa Sifuna, Your Excellency Baba Raila Odinga, and all protocol observed. Let me start by congratulating Baba for this wonderful vision. The Raila Education Center, Raila Educational Center shall forever remain an enduring legacy. An enduring legacy that Baba has left here in Kibra. It is pleasing that as we speak today, this institution is serving very many children. And I can see the children are for sure very bright. Very bright. Asanteni sana wanafunzi. Very bright. Taking into consideration that even the primary section this past year has emerged number 2 after Olympic. Tumpigie makofi Raila Odinga Educational Center for wonderful academic performance. So on the matters of education, Baba, your vision lives on. Your wonderful vision lives on, and it's something worth emulating. Secondly, let me say congrats to my good friend and brother Mwalimu Peter Orero. You know, I have now come to realize that I think in future it is important that we consider electing more and more teachers to parliament. To parliament, because for the short time Mwalimu Orero has been in parliament, he has demonstrated that he has got the understanding of what needs to be done here at the constituency and also in parliament. Mwalimu Orero is one individual that you can count on at every other time. At every other time. He remains consistent and determined and committed. I am sure under his watch, this educational center will go places. This educational center is going to go far. Kwa hivyo tumpigie makofi Mheshimiwa Mwalimu Peter Orero. Leo hii nimeona basi ya kimataifa na nikatamani kuwa mwanafunzi tena. Angalau nitumie hii basi. Kwa sababu mimi hii ndio mwaka wangu ya 12 almost being an MP. And I've never had the opportunity to buy a bus such as this. The farthest I've gone is to buy a 51-seater bus. But this one is 67-seater. It's going to be able to carry students, teachers, BOM members and parents from time to time. Kwa hivyo wanafunzi wa Raila Educational Center mko na bahati sana. Sasa kazi ambayo imebaki ni nyinyi kusoma kwa bidii. Si namna hiyo? Wangapi masema ya kwamba watafanya vizuri na mtihani watapita? Haya. As I conclude, I understand this institution, just like many other schools, have got very serious challenges. Very serious challenges. But even as we try to address these challenges as stakeholders, as parents, as teachers, we must continue to remind the government. We must continue to remind the government to be truthful. The Kenya Kwanza government must be truthful. Because they keep on saying that they have released capitation money. Every now and then we hear the Cabinet Secretary for Education declaring on national television that they have released so much billions of shillings towards capitation. And yet, when you come to the ground here, there's no money. There's no money. If ever it comes, it doesn't come in full. And even if it comes too late in the day. And many times it doesn't come at all. So how do we expect our educational institution managers, principals and head teachers to manage these schools without money? Money which has been paid for from taxpayers' money. Why can't the national government release money that is due to these schools and institutions for our children to learn without problems? So it's a big challenge, and we shall continue to remind them that it is their duty to disburse public funds from the National Treasury to address our problems in our institutions. So as I conclude, leo sio siku ya siasa kwa sababu tumekuja kwa educational function. But we must remind you, first and foremost, let me thank watu wa Kibra. Lazima nashukuru wananchi wa Kibra kwa jumla na hata Lang'ata kwa kubaki wakisimama kidete, wakisimama imara ndani ya chama cha ODM. Pamoja na rafiki zangu wa Kamkunji. Hapa Kibra, it is said that when Kibra sneezes, politically speaking, the whole country catches a cold. So Kibra here is the pace setter. This is where the pace of politics is set. And we are very proud of you. We are very proud of you. And many a times when we have called upon you to come out and express the national feeling, you have never disappointed us. You have always led from the front. So we forever remain indebted to you, watu wa Kibra. Mkiwa chini ya mwalimu Mheshimiwa Peter Orero, chini ya kiongozi wetu wa kitaifa Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga. Me, I don't like talking about issues of AU because I know Baba has the capacity. Baba has the capacity to manage his campaigns and get whatever he wants. What I know is that Baba Raila Amolo Odinga remains our leader. Now, tomorrow, and forever. Kwa hiyo na machache, asanteni sana, Mwenyezi Mungu awabariki. Thank you very much.
Sorry for breaking the protocol. Kuna watoto hapa watakaribisha baba na pia